Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the cool hills of Manchester, in the quiet community of Melrose Mews at Orchard Close, just 50 minutes out of Mandeville, is this charming 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom split-level home with spectacular mountain views. The house was built in 2004 and sits on 3,484 square feet. On the main level are the master bedroom ensuite with bathroom and closet, two other rooms with closets, a bathroom, kitchen, living room, dining area, and a back porch and veranda. The second level consists of a bedroom, bathroom, sitting area, laundry room, storeroom, and a double car garage. There is also ample basement space, which can be enclosed for income generating opportunities or used for additional storage. Come outdoor to the therapeutic garden and well fruited backyard. This is an absolute must see property. Be the first to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.